Today I'm going to walk you through how to upload your videos to Canvas and embed them into pages in your course. When you're done, it will look something like this. I know some of you might be recording your videos on your phones, so if you're interested in some tips on how to transfer files from your phone to your computer, I'll address them at the end of this video. Anyways, the first thing to do is to make sure you have Kaltura Media Gallery enabled for your course. If you don't have it already enabled, you can do so by going to the course settings. Click on Navigation and scroll down until you find Kaltura Media Gallery. Click here on the three dots and choose Enable. Then go back down to the bottom of the page and click Save. If this is your first time using Kaltura, you will be asked to authorize. Do not click Cancel. Now that the Kaltura Media Gallery is enabled, you're ready to begin uploading your videos. In the Kaltura Media Gallery, you'll want to click here on Add Media. It'll take you to a new page where you want to select Add New and then Media Upload. Here, you can either drag and drop the file you want to upload or search your computer for the file. Now you can change the name of your video, otherwise it will be the name of the file. Once your file has been uploaded, Kaltura will need some time to process it. As you can see here, there should be a notification at the top of the page that lets you know your media is still processing. Once the video has finished processing, it will be available to your students through the Kaltura Media Gallery page. To make it easier for your students to access, we recommend you now embed your video into a page in your course. You can either create a new page or embed your video into an already existing page. In this case, I've already set up the page in which I want to embed my video. Here is your page editor. To embed your Kaltura video, find the plug icon here. If it's not immediately visible to you, look for the three dots, click on them, and the plug symbol should appear. When you click on the plug icon, a pop-up window will appear. Here, choose Embed Kaltura Media. Sometimes it will take a moment to load, so be patient. You should now see a list of videos. As you can see here, this is called My Media. In other words, all the videos you've uploaded to Canvas. If you're trying to embed a video that somebody else has uploaded, you'll have to select Media Gallery first. The Media Gallery is all of the videos that have been uploaded to a particular course. Now, find the video you want to embed, click on the arrow next to Select, and choose the size of the video player you want. I typically choose either medium or large, depending on what the rest of the page looks like. It's really just personal preference, though. Now that you've embedded the video, save the page. You can also publish the page now if you want to. And that's it! The video has now been uploaded and embedded into the course. Now before we wrap up, as I mentioned before, I'm going to quickly address how you might transfer files from your phone to your computer. There are a couple ways to do this. If you have an iPhone and a Mac, you can use AirDrop. This requires that both your phone and your computer are on the same Wi-Fi network, and that Bluetooth is turned on. In the Photos application, find the video you want to transfer. Touch the share icon in the bottom left-hand corner and select your computer. Accept the request for an AirDrop on your computer and the file should be transferred. If you're not using an iPhone and Mac, another option is to use Box. You can download the mobile Box app onto your device and upload your file there. Remember to use your Woostle credentials to sign in here. Then go to your computer and download the file from Box. These are just two of the ways to transfer files, but there are many, many more. However, we do recommend that you avoid emailing and texting files. Let us know in the comments down below what your favorite way to transfer files is. Thank you for watching!